Muscles turn on. See if you can soften through the glutes. And this time, if you want to take the bind, you can. Some strong focus on the feet. Here we go. Inhale, lifting you up. Listen to the sound of your breath. Squeeze your block or your imaginary block. Shins forward. Hug the femur in. Lift the hip points up high. Chest to chin. Chin to the sky. Maybe walk the shoulder blades underneath. Engage the inner thigh. Keep uncovering, keep adding to, subtracting. Pay attention, again, to the nuance. And then slowly release the bind if you have it and bring it down nice and slow and with control. So another thing I will add is a lot of times things happen with the knees in between poses. Not during, but the consciousness in between. Take your block, you're gonna bring it to the side, or you can bring it to your head for a pillow. And we're gonna come to that nice Supta Baddha Konasana. Again, so knees wide, soles of the feet together, hands on the hips. Breathe deep, let everything go. We're almost done here, so really activate the breath, take your vitamins. Nice control of your breath, slowing it down can completely change your day and maybe your life. So use this time with me and with everyone else who's practicing this around the world to just check in before we get up off the mat. And we'll do that by breathing deep. Use your hands to slowly guide the thighs, the knees together. We'll just take a nice easy twist of your choice. So you can do one knee and cross it over, or you can do both knees and cross it over. Take the arms wide, breathe deep, just to restore the spine here. And then take it to the other side, even it out nice and slow. And then we'll come back to center. You're gonna take your bolster, you're gonna bring it back underneath the thighs, the legs, the knees. So back to where we started, feel that support and just feel, oh yeah, this permanent problem maybe doesn't have to be permanent. My body is amazing. The mind is powerful. Come to a place where you can relax for a few breaths, honoring this time and space that you have taken for yourself. Relax everything, soles of the feet all the way to the crown. Close your eyes. And bring the palms together nice and slow at your heart. We honor the light within ourselves and see that in each other by finishing our practice with a bow, tuck the chin, a reverence. Namaste.